I think we are going to see their return in Chapter 6. Now, obviously, at the end of Chapter 4, Agent Jones and Dr. Sloan steals the time machine, goes back to Chapter 1. Initially, their plan was to go back in time and restart everything. But as soon as he got there, he noticed that this wasn't the actual OG Fortnite map. This was a map from an alternate universe. And that's the reason why it wasn't exactly the same, because there was no volcano, no polar peak. Tilted towers look different. Even the battle pass skins look different. Also, to make things weird, the seasons was moving extremely fast. Jones and Sloan decide to go ahead with this the end event, and they end up in Chapter 5. The thing is, this Chapter 5 map was a Chapter 2 map from an alternate universe. That is because of the similarities between the two. For example, in Chapter 2, Season 1 and 2, the theme was a war between two different factions, and that's exactly what happened in Chapter 5 as well. There was a war between two factions. Chapter 2 was the introduction of Midas, and Chapter 5 was the return of Midas. Chapter 2, Season 4 was Marvel themed, and obviously Chapter 5, Season 4 is Marvel themed as well. Now, we know that Chapter 5 is going to end at the end of this season. And obviously, when Chapter 2 ended, we ended up on the Chapter 3 island, meaning after the Chapter 5 map, Chapter 6 is going to be themed around Chapter 3. Now,